Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in the last video we have set up all the enemies and we were able to complete the level, right? So in this video we'll have to set up the coin system and also the final reward when the player reaches the final stage, right? And also if we have time we shall do some decorative thing. We'll try to work on the background as well. So right now the background is very plain. It's better to keep it more attractive. It gives more good feel about playing the game. And also later on we can work on adding the background music and sound effects. And one more thing, we'll have to work on start screen as well. Okay, all right, so let's get started. Okay, in the effects I will add one sprite, a new sprite for coins. So yesterday I have downloaded coins from a free source. Okay, where is it? Yeah, here it is. Oh god, so this is in actually strip format. We'll have to split it to get the frames. So I'll do right click and I will click on import frames from strip, select this one. So we have total 4 rows and 4 columns, right? So we need to add 4 and 4 as well. So make sure you check on replace entire animation to replace any existing images. Okay, let's set the speed to 20 and loop it. Let's preview it. I think it's too fast. Maybe 15 will do better. Yeah, I think this is fine. Okay, let's rename it to coins. Okay, let's quickly add them. Okay, so I'll add it till here. Okay, fine. We shall simply copy paste the coins wherever we require. I'll add them here. Okay, right. Let's add them here as well. So it is better to add wherever we have enemies, so that it will give a chance for the user to think about destroying an enemy instead of escaping them to get the coins. Okay. Okay, good. Okay, let's add few more here. All right, this is fine. Okay, these are sufficient. So let's add a scoring kind of thing here. So we shall show the users, whenever they get the coins, we should display the score over here, right? So let's clone the coins. Right click, clone coins, maybe I will say it as HUD. Okay, I'll remove rest of the frames so that we don't need to make it, we don't need to animate it, right? So it will save a lot of RAM. Okay, cool. So let's add a text here for score. I'll make it white and let's align it to right. Okay, let's change the origin point to center. So that 65, we'll need to set the Y to 65 so that it will be aligned with this one. No, not this one. I have to edit this one. Okay, the text should be 0. Okay, so let's add one more global variable called score, or I'll add it as coins. Okay, let's add description so that whenever we see it, we'll know what's the purpose of this global variable. Okay, and this one tracks number of lives left. Okay, let's add the coin system, the hero itself, because when the hero interacts with the coin, it has to go to this position and add one value to the text, and this should be destroyed. Okay, so let's do little animation as well. So hero, what should be the condition here? So hero, when collides with the other object, which is coins, the coin should move to, okay, we'll have to add a behavior called move to. We don't need set angle. Okay, so on collision with coins, so move to behavior, it will allow the object to move to certain positions based on our requirement. Okay, now you'll see that now coin should move to object which is coins HUD. Okay, let's copy paste this one, and when coins collide with coins HUD, okay, add value of 1 to coins, right? Let's see. Okay, the coins are moving, however they are not moving to this position, they are moving to this position. Okay, Okay. First we will increase the speed of the coins. So let's set it to 2000. And also this one, the coin HUD, I don't think it should be here in HUD. Let's put it in normal layer. Oops, 1 second. Okay, let's put this into hero, and also let's put this into hero. So we still need this to stick on the screen at this position, right? So for that, what we will do is, right, so we have an option called every tick, which means almost every time. Set the coins HUD position, which means X and Y values, to the viewport right of hero. We'll have to enter the layer which is hero. Minus let's see. So this is at 1820. It has an X value of 1820. So in order this to stick at this position all the time, we'll have to set this away from viewport by 100 pixels. Okay, because the size of the project is 1920 and the position of this object is 1820, which has a difference of 100 pixels. So we'll have to set it at minus 100. Okay, also the X value should be from the viewport of hero plus 65. Okay, so viewport is top, viewport top is this one, and from this the position of X value is 65, right? So that is why we'll have to add plus here, whereas from right it should be minus, because it should be away from viewport right. Also let's do the same thing for text. The position of its X value is 1595. So if I subtract 1920 minus 1595 is 325. Okay, let's see. Set position to viewport right of hero minus 325, correct? 325, correct. And it should be viewport top of hero plus 70, right? The Y position is 70. And also when the coins collide with HUD, the coins should be destroyed. And also let's update the score. The text should be, the value of the text should set to coins, not this one, the coins global variable, right? Let's see if it works. Okay, the upper coin, oops, so the HUD coin is always on right hand side, Okay, but the problem is the coins are not moving to its position. It's the same thing. All right. I'll do one thing. For coins, I'll give a variable called, I'll create a variable, not this one. Where are variables? Yeah, this one. So I'll create a variable called destroy. I'll set it to boolean. So the objective is, by default they will be false. So when hero touches them or collides with them, they'll be set to true. And when they are true, they will be moved to this position all the time. Okay. So I'll show you too how it works. So coins, if the boolean variable is true, destroy is true, so this will move to the coins HUD position, and instead of also we'll have to update the hero event. So instead of moving the object when on collision, we'll set the boolean to destroy true. So if it is destroyed, it will be moving to coins HUD all the time. Let's see if this works. Wait, I will also increase the coin speed. I still feel like it's too slow. And the acceleration also I'll set it to 1000. Deceleration also I'll set it to 1000. Cool, it's working now. Looks like they're hesitating to move towards it. Okay, fine. Why these things are moving very slowly? Let's check that and fix it. Probably I'll have set them in different. Right. So these coins are actually in different what do you say, layer. Okay, I'll select them all now. Everything is selected. I'm not sure whether you're able to see it. Okay, this one I'll set it to 3. Okay, this one is fixed. And also I just wanted to see what if I reset this to HUD, this one. Okay, instead of hero, what if I set it to HUD? Let's see if it works. We can slightly reduce the events. Nope, it's not working. Alright, no issues. Okay, now I have undone it. Now it's in hero. Even this one is in hero. So hero on collision with coins boolean destroy will be set to true, and once coins collide with the coins HUD, we will add one coin and set the text to coins, right? Okay, so I'll add a comment here just to remember or for a future reference, otherwise I might forget. So program for coin system keeps the coins HUD and score text on the right position always. Okay, this one if the coin, if the boolean of coin is set to destroy, move the coins to the coins HUD until it reaches. Okay, alright, so we are done with the coin system. It works very well. Okay, cool. So we'll have to set up the end reward. So for that, I will add a sprite in effects. So I'll set up something very simple. I don't want to search for free assets and spend a lot of time on that. Okay, so what I'm trying to do is I will create a circle, a simple circle where we don't need a border. Okay, I'll create this again. Okay, I think this would be sufficient. Okay, let's name it as final reward. Okay, I'll set it here. I will add a glowing effect. Oh wait, not this one, effects, right? So we have two glowing options, glow horizontal as well as glow vertical. Okay, can you see that it's a bit glowing? Okay, alright, so I'll also add a shine effect. I'll go to behavior, shine. What I will do is it will be moving up and down. So horizontal, no, I want it vertical. The period should be very slow, and magnitude, let's set it to 25. Okay, it looks like it is floating in the air. It has some magical effects. That's the objective, but it might not look exactly as what I described, because I don't have any any images or something like that. I am making up this my own, so I think this is sufficient. And once hero reaches to this position, Okay, once hero reaches to this position, we don't need we can disable the controls and lift the player up towards it. Okay, and this will become small and goes into the player. Okay, I mean goes into the hero. It's like he has observed the power of this globe or this glowing thing. Okay, that's the objective. Let's do it. So I'll create a sprite, one more sprite, to see that the hero has reached the position. You can have whichever color you want. Okay, if hero reaches this position, final position check, I'll name it as final position check, and let's set the visibility to 0, like it's not visible when I set the when I preview the project, it will not be visible. Okay, I will show it to you. So let's put hero over here just for testing purpose. We can move him back later. So if I preview the project, okay, this is the glowing thing. Okay, you're not seeing the yellow mark, it's just white glowing thing you're seeing, right? I'm not sure it's completely circular or not, but that's fine. I'll set the height and width to 200, make it much smaller, and let's see if we require to make more changes to the shine behavior. Okay, I think this is fine. All right, so what happens is when I touch this one, he should be lifted up. So I'll add a event under hero. Hero, where is hero? Here he is. On collision with this one, final position check, we'll have to disable controls. Where is it? Okay, I think it is better I disable the platform behavior altogether. Also we have one more option to disable the controls. Where is it? I'm not finding it. Vector, jumpstone, the gravity, default controls, ignoring input, right? This is the one. Okay, so it will stop ignoring the input, but still other functions like gravity will be applicable, but we don't need that. Okay, let's disable the platform behavior. Let's add one more behavior called move to. Okay, the same behavior we used for the coin system. Let's set the acceleration to 200, max speed, deceleration also for 200. Okay, let's put this here much closer to it. Okay, so when you reach this position, he will be moved to this position automatically. Okay, he will be lifted up slowly and this thing becomes small and goes into him. Alright, that's the plan. So I'll manually get the position of this one, of this position from here. So I'll set it to 510 and this is 17 to 75. And hero move to position 17 to 75, 510, right? And once hero has reached the position, where is it? Yeah, on arrived, right? So when hero arrives to this position, we'll have to where is this final report? Yeah, we'll have to change the position, change the way it is working. The shine behavior, we have to change the way it is working. Let's do one thing. I'll set it to disabled for now. Once we test it, we can change it. So we require a move to position, move to behavior. So let's add that one. Alright, so I hope you guys are able to follow it. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll try to explain it to you again. Okay, let's try it out. Okay, fine. Okay, we don't need that to set some angles. And also max speed, let's reduce it to 100. Everything is set to 100. Okay, is moving towards the position very slowly. This one has stopped functioning, but it is not moving to the desired position. Oh, because I did not set that to move to the position. That is my fault. Move to object, hero. Okay, let's try it out now. Okay, I selected a wrong one. Okay, that is the issue. It should be on arrived. I have selected on. I have selected is moving. My mistake. Okay, here we can add a little music or something to make it what you say, look more natural, but that's a thing for later. And also I am seeing it is still moving to, I mean I can see the walking frames. That should not happen. What I will do is I'll change the animation. Where is the animation? Set animation to jump. Okay, and also I'll set the jump frame Let's see the jump frame. I'll set it to 6 maybe. Animation, set frame to 6. Okay, and this one okay, let's test it out first, then we can make changes if required. Alright, this is fine. There is one more option to reduce the size of the ball. Okay, instead of shine we can wait instead of vertical we can select size. Okay, instead of shine, let's see if we select triangle. Oh, so sawtooth, it's reverse. Square, let's try square. Nothing is happening. All right, let's not invest more time on it. I'll set it back to the same movement. What I will do is I'll create one more I'll create a variable for this one. I'll set it as destroy, the same name which we gave for coin system. Okay, by default it will be false. What I will do is where is this one? Yeah, final reward. If boolean is set to destroy, okay, instead of moving this here, I'll set it to this one. And also I'll say wait 1 second. I'll keep this here. What I will do is I will set the boolean to true. Okay, when it is true, what I'll say is the decrease final reward size. Okay, the height is greater than or equal to 20. Make an OR block. Instead of height, this time we shall compare width. The width or height is more than 20, more than or equal to 20. We'll reduce the size of final reward. Size of the final reward by 20 pixels. So it is going to be reduced by itself by the width and height of itself by 20 pixels. Okay, let's see how it works. Is this thing moving? Yeah, it is moving, but very slow. I think actually when the hero is going into you know into space, when I click on the side arrows, he started to take the input. Let's also stop ignoring input, and I believe this is too fast. It is becoming too fast. Let's set it to 5. And maybe height is also, this is too small, I guess. Let's set it to 50, right? Okay, now I'm pressing on the arrows, but it's not working because I have ignored it. Cool. Right, I will show it one more time. Okay, he's moving up and he reaches the position and it becomes small and goes into him. Right, we have achieved what we required, and now we'll have to make some music. Make, in the sense, I will get it from somewhere from free website and set it to this project. Okay, also once this is done, I would like to set up some shaking effect. But the problem with the shaking effect is I'll have to enable the unbounded scrolling. So if I enable the unbounded scrolling, the project should be in the middle of the screen. Otherwise, this is what happens. Okay, so I don't want that to happen. So I'm closing this one. So instead, what I will do is I'll add a object. I'll add a behavior called what should I do? Do we have shine behavior enabled to this one? No. I will add shine behavior. Where is it? Okay, I'll type it. Never mind. So the objective is to by default I will disable this one because we'll have to play the game, right? Otherwise, from the beginning, he'll start moving in shine behavior. He'll be using the shine behavior. We don't need that to happen. Okay, let's preview and let's set the period to 1, magnitude to 10, period, let's see, 0.5, 5 magnitude. So I wanted to make some shaking kind of effect. Yeah, something like that. I'm not sure whether you're able to see this one. I'll zoom it further. Okay, I want to make this shaking effect. It's like he absorbed some kind of power and started to being shaky. Alright, I think this will be fine. Let's see if I set it to 3. Okay, this is fine. Alright. Okay, where is hero? Okay, so what I will do is, if once final reward collides with hero, okay, we shall enable shine behavior. Where is it? Yeah, set enable. and in half a second we shall destroy the final reward. Okay, we don't need it anymore, so we'll destroy it. Cool. Okay, once shine effect has started, I want to make some white screen to appear and take him to the next level, or else we can do this way as well. We can destroy him, like he will just vanish and move to the next level. I think that's more better. Okay, I will let him shake for 2 more seconds and we shall destroy him. Okay, so there is a problem. If we destroy, it will restart the layout. I don't want that to happen. Instead of that, I want him to go to the main menu, but if you have second level, he will be moved to the second level. Okay, so what if I remove this one? Okay, if hero dies, destroy, and I'll add this one here itself. Why do we need a separate layout? I mean separate event for that. Destroy, and I'll just add 0.5 seconds of delay and restart layout. For this case, I don't want to add the function because I want to do it manually. Okay, destroy and wait for half a second, and let's take him to go to layout, start, right? Okay, let's try it out. Why it is taking inputs? Okay, instead of I'm sorry, instead of shaking hero, why the whole platform was shaking? Okay, I think this is fine. If you want to add more effects like making small, and you can also do that, making small and destroy him and move him to start, that can also be done. Alright, so let's place him back to where he came from. So I'll quickly run the game just to test everything is going fine. Okay, oops. Okay, we'll work on decorations later. It's already a lot of time we have spent on this level, right? So we shall work on, oh god, alright, this is the last time I'm going to try it. If I lose it, I'm going to close the game anyways. I don't want to try furthermore because we have a lot more to develop. Oh, I missed this guy. Okay, that's fine. Come on, man. Show your thing. Yeah. Come on. Yeah. Alright, done. So we have only one life left. So let's be careful. This guy is sticking on the roof. Okay, fine. Great, we have reached the position. Done? Right. Alright, I'm so happy that it came as expected. In the next video we shall add the background decorations, and also we shall decorate the add few elements in the start screen, and if possible let's add the controls over here, and also give a brief about each enemy at the bottom of the screen. Alright, so this is the first level, so users will be they need to be introduced to the enemies and all the levels, the game mechanics. So it is better we give the intro in the first level, as it's much easy level. Let's do that, and later on we can add the music, sound effects, everything. Alright, that's all for this video. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.